Sorry for the delay. Something going on out there outside this room. I was trying to figure it out. We have 6x cubed plus 48. We want to write this. This is going to be the sum of two cubes. And I think the best thing to do here is probably factor that 6 out. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and pull the 6 out of there. So we have 6 times x cubed plus 8. Now we can rewrite 6 2 raised to the third power is going to be 8. So now we have the sum of two cubes. Rewriting that 6, don't forget, don't leave that off. So we have x plus 2 times x squared minus, remember it's a minus, it's the opposite. Whatever this sign is here, it's the opposite. So minus 2 times x plus this number here squared, which would give us 4. All right, let's take a look at another one. I got lots of examples. This one here, don't let it throw you off. We have x raised to the 6th power plus y to the 6th power. Goodness. We can rewrite this as x squared raised to the 3rd power plus y squared raised to the 3rd power. So if we were to simplify this, let's look at the x squared raised to the 3rd power. We had a section where we dealt with powers raised to a power, and you would just multiply 2 times 3 and get 6. So you'd have x to the 6th power. But what we now have is a sum of two squares. So now just stick with the formula. So we're going to write x squared plus y squared times, now this is x squared and the whole thing is squared, okay? Plus, so we write minus, it would be x squared times y squared plus whatever this is squared. So this would be y squared, and the whole thing, I remember, is squared. Of course, we want to go ahead and finish those parentheses out. Boy, that looks complicated. It's really not. Now, let's go ahead and rewrite. Rewrite this. So we have x squared plus y squared the square and raised to a square is multiply, so we have x to the 4th power minus x squared y squared plus, and this last one becomes y to the 4th power. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Hopefully I didn't go too fast on that. We'll use a different letter this time. How about t cubed times t minus 6 minus 8 times t minus 6. So you notice here that we have something in common in both these terms. That's a t minus 6. So why don't we try factoring that out? We'll write an equal sign here. So let's factor the t minus 6 out, and let's see what we have left. T cubed minus 8. Now we have already factored this before. So let's go ahead and write that as t minus 6 times t cubed minus 2 cubed, the difference of 2 cubes. So at this point you should know how to factor the difference of 2 cubes, especially one that's that easy. So this becomes t minus 2 times t squared, right, the opposite of the sign, plus t times 2, or we would write 2t, plus this number here, the 2 squared, which is 4. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. I think we'll end it there. And we have, I think, a couple more problems, or maybe one more. Yeah, we got one more tricky one, and that's it for this section. And I will see you there, hopefully.